Barry McCoy with Unique Corporation here. We brought back a 1959 to 1960 Rena-Craft. I think it's a Bonte. They made another style called the Manta, which dips down a little bit lower in the back. This one here has all brand new gel coat on it, top to bottom. And we're missing a couple things like the windshield. We'll have to locate one of those. And we're also, this one has a rack and pin steering, missing that as well. But we have all brand new Stewart Warner gauges and things for it. New interior. We're working on the 312 Interceptor with a velvet drive that goes in this boat as well. This is a very, very cool, sleek boat. It was made by Dan Rena-Craft. But we're going to keep showing you the progress. We have to make some new stainless trim that goes down here. It goes all the way. We'll have to form it. And then through here, it's got a nice beauty trim that goes here, and then stainless trim that goes all the way up to the front. Very, very cool boat. Stay tuned to our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll be explaining more and talking more about Rena-Crafts coming up shortly. This is Barry McCoy with Unique Corporation. Thanks for watching my video.